This is the new HT05 Melobuds from QCY. It costs around 1,600 Philippine pesos and is available in black or white. The packaging looks nice and it has their slogan all over it: "Be creative, go beyond." It uses Bluetooth 5.2 technology. It caught my attention because it has ANC. Inside the box are a guide, extra ear tips, a Type-C to Type-A cable, the case, and the wireless earbuds. The earbuds build quality is adequate for the price. It is made of plastic, but it is durable. The earbuds themselves have an IPX5 water and sweat resistance rating. On the side of the case is a Type-C port to charge it. Inside is a button for switching between devices and for resetting the earbuds. QCY says that you can use the Melobuds for up to 6 hours, and I find that accurate. It's comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and the ANC kicks in as soon as you put it on. I found that the ANC is really effective at cancelling out most of the ambient noise. The QCY Melobuds have 10mm dynamic drivers. In my opinion, the sound quality of these earbuds is good. Both the vocals and instruments are clear. The bass is there, but it's not enough for me. The earbuds can get pretty loud, so I always have mine set at around 75% volume. QCY also has its own app, where you can customize your settings. The Melobuds also have 6 microphones with ANC. I tried it, and in my testing, it cancelled out most of the background noise. It works really well. Using it for gaming has also been great. Although there is a slight latency, it still delivers an immersive experience. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment with any thoughts or questions, share, and subscribe. Until next time.